Hey friends, welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. Today's topic is Components of Food Quiz Part 2. There are 10 questions in this interesting quiz. Wear your thinking caps and try to guess the right answer in just 5 seconds. You may pause the video if you need more time. Please share your scores in comments and do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Iron is found in human body in gap. Option A, bones, B, blood, C, hair or D, nails. Right answer is blood. Ghee and butter are major sources of gap. Option A, fats, B, vitamins, C, minerals or D, proteins. The right answer is option A, fats. Which of the following is used to test the presence of starch in a potato? Option A, protein, B, iron, C, iodine or D, fats. The right answer is iodine. The indigestible material in food is known as option A, minerals, B, fats, C, roughage or D, vitamins. The right answer is option C, roughage. Carbohydrates and fats containing food are called GAP. Option A, energy giving foods, B, bodybuilding foods, C, fibrous foods or D, protective foods. The right answer is option A, energy giving foods. Which of the following is not an example of carbohydrate? Option A, glycine, B, glucose, C, maltose or D, fructose. The right answer is option A, glycine. Weak bones and tooth decay is caused due to deficiency of option A, proteins, B, calcium, C, fiber or D, fats. The right answer is calcium. Our body prepares which type of vitamin in the presence of sunlight? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D or option D, vitamin B. The right answer is vitamin D. Our hair and nails contain GAP. Option A, calcium, B, protein, C, phosphorus or D, iron. Right answer is protein. Which vitamin is destroyed during heating? Option A, vitamin B, option B, vitamin A, option C, vitamin C or option D, vitamin D. The right answer is option C, vitamin C. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do share it with your friends and family and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Do share your score.